Hi students, this is Priyanshu and today we are going to talk about our last chapter of Social Studies, Telangana State Board, and we are going to see the most important and repeating question of that hour because this is our Telangana State Board and we are going to see the Telangana movement, okay, how, which type of problem we faced and something. This is in our chapter, but we are going to see the most important question about related to this one, okay. So this is our last chapter, and if you are looking for the other subjects chapter wise important question, so you can check out from the our channel and playlist there. If you need social study chapter wise, so in description is a link, you can check out from there, okay. So let's see this one here. So first of all we will see the MCQ question. Let's see, this is a long chapter I think. Okay, so multiple choice question is there. So this is the question is given, so which is correct in this one you have to say about it. And second one, actually from this one very low quality of the MCQ will come, but question answer definitely one or two question will come from this one, but MCQ it asks you one or two for sometimes, okay. So you can see this assembly, that is a okay. After the 19th boom of the information technology industry was seen in these states, okay, in Hyderabad we can say. After it is completed, then here we go through that. The university was set up except for the 6-point formula. The main reason for increasing the agriculture labor in the Telangana was due to, okay. Now here very short question answer it is given. Why did the people of Telangana protest for a long time? Long will means long time, okay. This is important. Actually it is starting from 1954 I think it is, or otherwise it is nearby this time it is started. Why did the demand for the this is the Vishal Dhara come from the Andhra region, okay. What were the reason for growing the disconnect in Telangana, okay. List out the different form of protection in Telangana movement and explain anyone. So this is also important. Explain the cases that held to the announcement and withdrawals of a separate Telangana states. Observe the flowing table. You have to observe that, like in Andhra region, if they are dig the lakhs or like hectares and something, they dig 17, and in Telangana region they will say 7. If there is 20, then 19 here. If it is then you can see the growth rate, okay, right. So well, this is a rough page here it is given, but this is our last chapter and it is totally ended here. And overall our social chapter, whatever the important question is there chapter wise, it's also ended here. Our social series is totally ended. If you are looking for the math series, bio and physics and chemistry, so just go to our channel, click on the playlist and you will find out. And I hope it is clear to you and you don't have doubt. And if you have a doubt, leave a comment and definitely I will give the idea about this or whatever it is reply to you, okay, right. So I hope you will understand and we will meet our next video. Jai Hind.